My name is Mansukh the Milkman. Yeah, I sell milk to every common man. Ha!
Mansukh stops his bicycle outside Sunita auntie's house and rings the bell.
Auntie, here is your milk.
Yes, bring it. Today give me half a liter extra. My daughter wants to eat kheer.
Yes, take it now. Make some delicious kheer for your daughter.
Mansukh pedals away to deliver milk to another house. Hey Mansukh bhaiya, here is the money for your milk. The month is over now.
Yes, sister. Please give me. Your account is always clear and you always pay on time.
Mansukh bhaiya, you sell the cheapest milk in the village and come on time every day. So it's our duty to pay you on time.
Oh, thank you, sister. So now I'll take your leave. Aren't you praising this milkman a lot?
So I'm just telling the truth. Have I said anything wrong? Mansukh is so honest and poor. Before it, we used to buy packet milk from the city, which was expensive and we had to go so far to get it. But Mansukh delivers fresh milk at home and charges less than city milk. And that's not all.
Oh, all right. Lucky guy. I get it. Mansukh is honest and poor. Now forgive me, bring me a cup of tea.
Okay, I'll get it. Meanwhile, Mansukh finishes all his deliveries and returns home. Oh, you are back. You are late today.
Don't ask. My bicycle tire got punctured on the way. It took a long time to fix.
Oh, why don't you buy a motorbike? Why do you ride this old bicycle if it's so broken?
So I look simple and poor.
What? What do you mean?
Oh, if I ride a motorbike, the villagers will wonder where this poor milkman got so much money from. Understood?
Where from? From selling the milk. Mansukh stands up and goes to his cattle shed, where Meena keeps freshly milked animals.
But everyone knows you can't buy a motorbike just by selling milk.
Mansukh starts mixing starch into the fresh milk. Oh, wait. This milk is for our use. Why are you putting starch in it?
Oh, you fool woman. How many times have I told you to keep our milk separate? I only keep fake milk here for selling.
Yes, sorry. I'll remove it now. Contrary to what villagers believed, Mansukh Ram was a very greedy and dishonest milkman. Meena took away the milk and Mansukh laughed to himself.
To the villagers, I'll stay a poor, honest milkman. My true face will never show. I'll keep making lots of money selling fake milk. I actually know how to run a business.
Mansukh's cheating was going well. One day, he gained new company in his ride. Mansukh was returning home on his bicycle after selling milk and again, his bike got a flat tire.
Oh God, this bicycle is really testing my patience. I'll have to get it fixed again.
Mansukh goes to Chintu's repair shop.
Hey brother, you are back again? At this rate, you should just buy a new bicycle. I am tired of fixing your tire. Where will I get the money, Chotu? As long as the house has food on the table, that's enough. Can't afford it actually.
Chotu starts fixing the tire while Mansukh waits. Nearby was a bhajia stall.
Mansukh Bhaiya, it will take 15-20 minutes. What will you do standing here? Go sit at the bhajia stall and have something in meantime? Alright, okay. Call me when the work is done.
Mansukh goes to the bhajia stall and says,
Bring me a plate of bhajia, brother. Yes, brother. Coming right up.
Right in front of Mansukh, two men were sitting. They looked suspicious, like some kind of gangsters. Mansukh sat carefully. Suddenly, one of the men started coughing badly.
What kind of bhajia is this? Useless. Hey, what happened, brother? Oh, go and bring some water quickly. Oh, actually, water is finished. I'll fetch some from the well. So what? Should I keep coughing all day?
Mansukh quickly got up and brought some milk from his can on the bicycle.
Here you go, brother. This will help you feel better.
The man quickly drank the milk and his coughing stopped.
Now I feel relieved. Thank you. No problem, brother. People help each other, right? Here is your bhajia, brother. I'll get some water now, just in case anyone else needs it. I'll just go and come quickly.
After the bhajia seller left, finding Mansukh alone, the gangster-looking man spoke to him.
You sell very pure milk. What all did you mix in the milk?
Hearing this, Mansukh got nervous and dropped his bhajia.
What? What do you mean, brother? I mean, this milk was very fake. It was obvious just by tasting it.
Till now, no one in the village could tell Mansukh's milk was fake. But this new man knew after one sip. Mansukh was very scared.
Look, brother. Don't tell anyone about this. If you want, take some money from me. This is my long-built business. Don't ruin it. Please, please, I beg you. We are not here to ruin your business. We'll actually help you grow it. Understand? What do you mean by that? Look, you're already mixing things into the milk, right? We won't ask you to stop. Instead, add this powder.
The gangster hands Mansukh a small pouch of powder.
What is this, brother? No, I don't deal in drugs. Keep that with you. Keep me out of this. Oh, so you only mix starch in the milk. Okay then. We thought you would make a little extra money, but well, to each his own. Anyways, I can't push you. What? Oh, I was just joking. I'm ready, brother. Who can say no to Lakshmi when she's coming? Bring the pouch here. That's better. Mix this one packet in a big milk can. No more or less. No one will notice the difference in taste. After that, demand for your milk will triple in the village. People will love it and won't want to live without it. So now, be ready to earn more profit and become big. But 1,000 is too expensive, is it? Fine, don't buy it then. The bhajia seller will come soon. Sell it to him. He'll happily pay 1,000 rupees. No, wait. I'll pay. Here you go. Good. See you next week.
Mansukh's bicycle was fixed and he returned home with the pouch. While mixing the powder into the milk, Meena arrived. Hey, what are you doing?
This is the shortcut to becoming rich fast. Enough starch. Now watch. I'll get rich in a few months.
Wow, you are so smart. I'm so glad my mother did my marriage with you.
Oh, really? I wish I could say the same. Lucky one.
What? I didn't understand.
No, nothing.
Alright then, I'm cooking. Wash up and come quickly. 1 week passed and demand for Mansukh's milk had really increased. He was making good profits and his greed had doubled.
Give me at least 10 pouches. That's what we expected. Here you go. But be careful how you use it. Don't add more powder than the set or you'll get into trouble. Yes, I'll be careful.
As usual, Mansukh went to Sunita auntie's house to deliver milk and called out,
Auntie, come out. Take your milk.
As Mansukh calls out, instead of Sunita auntie, a young man came out.
Hey brother, give me the milk. Hey, who are you? I haven't seen you in the village before.
Hey Mansukh, this is my nephew. He's here on leave with his father for a few days.
Oh, on leave? What job do you have in the city, brother? I'm a police officer.
Hearing the word police, Mansukh panicked and dropped the milk container, spilling all the milk. Oh no, what happened? How did the milk fall?
Well, it slipped from my hand, auntie, by mistake.
It's okay, give me another container.
No, auntie, the milk is finished for today. I'll come tomorrow, okay? I'm leaving now.
Saying this, Mansukh hurriedly ran away. Manoj and Sunita both found Mansukh's behavior very strange. What's wrong with him? He's never done this before.
There must be a reason. Anyway, let's go inside, auntie. Oh, that was close. If that police officer found out the truth, I would be out of business and behind bars for life. Oof.
Hey, what happened? Why are you panting like this? Did the neighborhood dogs chase you again?
Oh, shut up. You talk too much. Go away. I'm having a headache. Don't make it worse.
Oh, why is it that whenever I speak, your head starts aching?
Oh, sitting here with you is a curse. I'm leaving.
Angrily, Mansukh started walking out of the house and saw Manoj coming towards him.
Oh no. Why is he coming back here?
Mansukh quickly ran back inside. See, you can't live without me.
Oh, shut up. Don't talk nonsense. Can I come in? Oh, you are here. Please come in. The milk spilled, right? So auntie told me to come get milk from your house. She trusts you a lot. I said I would go to buy from a shop nearby, but she said, get it from Mansukh brother only. Really? That's auntie's kindness. I'm just a simple milkman. Operate this business on a small scale. Not really. Everyone talks about you in the village. I have never seen such respect for a milkman.
Mansukh got a little nervous and then said to Meena,
Meena, make some tea, please. I'll bring the milk. He's from the city and a big police officer.
Wow, you please sit down. I'll bring tea right away. Mansukh went to the cattle shed and got fresh pure milk.
Oh, what do I do now? How do I sell fake milk when he's here? But if I give pure milk, Sunita auntie will notice the difference. I'm in big trouble now.
Mansukh was lost in thoughts and there Meena brings hot tea. Here, enjoy hot tea and cheese fritters. Mansukh came out of the shed and makes an excuse.
Oh, it's so hot today. The leftover milk spoiled. Sorry you came so far and there is no milk left. Oh, come on, it's okay. Maybe today wasn't meant for your milk. By the way, sister-in-law made excellent tea and pakoras. They tasted pure and delicious. I'm leaving now. Thank you for the hospitality.
Saying this, Manoj leaves. Mansukh, annoyed, said to Meena,
Hey, why you make pakoras? Tea would have been enough. No need to make it so tasty.
Chi, what are you saying? Guests are God, you know.
Oof, it's useless arguing with you.
Angry, Mansukh leaves. Afraid of Manoj, he didn't deliver milk to anyone for days, making excuses about illness.
Hey, what's going on, milkman? Why you are not buying powder from us? Made a deal with someone else? No, a policeman has come to the village. I can't sell fake milk while he's here. Wait a few days. What? Okay. We won't meet now.
So, Mansukh and the gang's work was on hold for a few days. One day, Mansukh saw Manoj leaving early, carrying a bag towards the station.
Hey, you're leaving already? Yes, brother. I'll have to catch the train to the city. Next time when I'll come, keep yourself healthy so that I can have your milk and paneer.
Saying this, Manoj left and Mansukh happily went to shed.
Thank God, the trouble is gone.
Meanwhile, Meena was mixing powder into the milk.
Hey, what's going on?
Well, you haven't worked in days. Today, I thought I would tell you to get back to work. This powder was just here. so I mixed it in. Mansukh saw a pouch in Meena's hand.
Hey, you mind your own business. Don't poke your nose into my work so much.
Mansukh took the milk can and left. Meena picked up 4 more powder pouches from the ground, muttering, "He always yells at me, even when I'm helping him. I mixed all the 5 pouches to make his work easy, but he never understands." Mansukh, after distributing milk, returns home.
Oof. After so many days, I worked today. I'm really tired.
As Mansukh sat to rest, Manoj placed his hand on his collar. Seeing Manoj, Mansukh was shocked.
You back again? Your drink may be intoxicating, but who puts so much poison in milk that just one sip makes a person dizzy? What? What nonsense is this? Don't know what you are talking about. And you had a train, right? Yes, but my train was cancelled. And it's your turn now. Your train will stop straight at jail, picking up your friends on the way. You try to be smart, huh? Means, when I got home, Auntie gave me a glass of milk. As soon as I drank it, I realized how poisoned it was. And just as I left, your health got better. I understood the trick you are playing. No tricks. I didn't do anything. Someone must have framed me. I've called my team from the city. They will investigate. For now, come to the police station with me. We'll ask the rest of the questions there.
Manoj dragged Mansukh to the police station, and the whole village saw the greedy, dishonest milkman's true face. Mansukh's accomplices were also caught.